Hi everyone, welcome back to our Abacus learning series. Today we are diving into double digit sums in level 2 Abacus, but here we will be solving the double digit Abacus using the formulas, right. First example here is 77 minus 53 plus 14. 77 minus 50 minus 3 is minus 5 plus 2, then plus 14 plus 1 plus 4 is plus 5 minus 1. So, answer is 38. Next example is 47 plus 52 minus 66. 47 plus 52 minus 66 minus 60 minus 6. So, answer here is 33. Next example is 73 plus 24 minus 36. 73 plus 24 plus 20 plus 4 is plus 5 minus 1. Then minus 36 minus 30 minus 6. Here we did it directly. So, answer here is 61. Next example is 31 plus 46 minus 27. 31 plus 46 plus 4 is plus 5 minus 1 plus 6, then minus 27 minus 20 minus 7. So, answer here is 50. Next example 29 minus 18 plus 84. 29 minus 18 plus 84 plus 80 plus 4 is plus 5 minus 1. So, answer here is 95. Next example 37 plus 52 minus 67. 37 plus 52 minus 67 minus 60 minus 7. So, answer here is 22. Here we did not use any formulas. So, next example here is 53 minus 12 plus 67. 53 minus 12. So, minus 1, we have to do minus 1 at tens rod. So, minus 1 is minus 5 plus 4, then minus 2. We can do it directly. Then plus 67 plus 60, we have to do it at tens rod, but it is not possible. We have to take the help of hundreds rod. So, plus 60 is plus 10 minus 4, then plus 7, we have to do it directly. So, answer here is 108. Next example is 63 minus 51 plus 31. 63 minus 51 minus 5 minus 1, then plus 31 plus 30 plus 1. So, answer here is 43. The last example here is 24 plus 45 minus 53. 24 plus 45 plus 4 is plus 5 minus 1 plus 5. Then minus 53 minus 50 minus 3. So, answer here is 16. Here we have solved all the examples, and for your more practice I have attached one worksheet. Do solve it by yourself and let me know if you have any difficulties. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit on the bell icon to get all the notifications of my latest videos. Thank you so much for watching.